These are the amaryllis that got started from seed last spring, and about 10 or 12 of them started and survived through the winter with the big amaryllis in the basement. Now we want to repot these things to make them grow bigger still, to become eventually bearing flowers. It takes a couple years for that to happen, but you can see the size of this first year bulb. We'll take off a lot of these old roots. That's pretty fresh, stringy, starchy roots in there. Nice little roots. I don't think we'll take anything off it because they're pretty young and strong roots. The first year plants, what it really needs is not a lot of shocking. They just survive as best it can, but we're going to separate these so they can have room to spread out and eventually become larger, so that they will eventually flower. I think I read that it takes 3 to 5 years for it to flower from the seed. This will be the second year on these, so they still have a year or two to go. But it's interesting to see how this all works. The reason people buy the grown ones is because they don't have to wait 3 to 5 years. But in 3 to 5 years, we're going to have a nice crop of amaryllis to watch bloom and give away to other people. I think that's about spread out. It's hard to tell inside after putting more and more in there. We'll see when they come up if we need to thin them out a little bit more. Using a lot of this original dirt because it has made material in that original dirt that it likes to work with. And we'll have some fresh dirt underneath to grow into. Now we can put a little water in there. Set this stuff in motion. This pot's inside of another pot with holes to drain in the bottom. Hopefully a lot of that water will just absorb in. We'll recycle the rest of this old dirt into the yard and wait for this to grow up a little bit. And we'll report on it when these come up. These that were without chlorophyll are getting chlorophyll. Now here's one poking its head up. It's hard to see it. Now you can see it. That one just came out. This one has a new leaf because it was only that cut off stem leaf before. This one's getting another leaf too coming from below the surface. You can see it down there. Probably some more will be coming out any time. That's 3 so far. We'll be waiting. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here they are today. They've been out for a couple weeks. They're ranging in size from about 1 inch up to about 7 inches. This will be the first one to bloom, maybe in 3 years or something. That's how we're doing from seeds.